Welcome. My name is Christopher Bailey, and I am an implementation consultant for Green Orbit, the intranet with everything built in. We want to thank you for taking the time to tune in. Now, in this video tutorial, we're going to cover your home site and all of the applications that are detailed within it. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now, it's very important that I mention here that what you're looking at is a generic view of our demo site. Your site will be built based upon the specifications and the colors that you provided to us prior to our building your site. So keep that in mind. At the very top here, you see the layout manager and the editor, which are based solely on security levels. When you click on edit, it grants you the ability to make changes to the live site or the sub-site template. If we move over to the right here to our notification icon, this is where your users will be notified of any new posts that are being made in the activity feed, the channels, or private groups. If there are some documents that need to be read or reviewed, you will be notified here, or you can even see the documents that you may have assigned to be read by someone else in the organization. Below here, you have the ability to subscribe to the home page to be notified of any changes that take place on the home page, or you are able to make personalized setting changes here. Okay. If you move over to the right, you see your user profile, which you can view and edit your profile. You can also view the documents or content that you yourself are responsible for. You have all that information here. If we look at our site header can be utilized as just a simple image of our logo or banner if we want to have that here, or it can serve as a navigational item to navigate us back to the home page. You have your search component, which is here, your navigation, which can be activated either by a rollover or by simply clicking on it and then activating a secondary navigation. You have your breadcrumb bar, which tracks your journey throughout the site. You have your news carousel, which can house anywhere up to 10 news articles within this carousel. You have various views that you can select from in terms of your news being displayed. You have your quick links, which are here. They can be linked to pages within the site, or they can also be linked to external sites as well. Below you have images here. Now these images can serve two purposes. They can serve as simply beautifying the site, or they can serve as navigational items to go to various places within your internet site. You have your profile directory, which is here. You will be able to search or view all the members in the organization. You have your channel feed, which is here, allows you to engage within your organization. You have news, which is here that can be displayed in, as I explained earlier, in your standard view that gives you the image and also a summary. We have a iframe, which is here if you want to embed your Twitter or Facebook. I like this Twitter because I'm able to watch this little bear just take a dive in the water, which looks very refreshing. All right. And then I have my activity feed, which acts just like your social media. Just think of your Facebook, where you're able to like and make comments. You have your calendar, which is here, that is overlaid with various calendars within the organization. You have the ability to add a RSS feed that pulls news from outside the internet site into your intranet. And you also have the ability to use an HTML component to embed maybe your Google Maps or something like that. Very simple operation on the front end. So if we look real quickly at the back in our editor, when we look at our editor, we have our components, which are over here. This is just the site framework that helps you build out your intranet site. Then you have all these options here, the breadcrumb, CMS, navigation, profile, directory, search, and site header. You have your applications, which are here. They can be used to build out the content on your site. As we just briefly explained, you have your media and your text, which operate in the same format. This grants you the ability to pull information from your computer onto the site, whether it's an image or whether it's an iframe over here. Your text just grants you the ability to be able to type in the content or copy paste your content. Then you have your HTML component. Example of this is over here as we used our Google Maps and we copy pasted our map code. This concludes our tutorial for the home site. For more information on anything pertaining to Green Orbit, please go to our website at learn.greenorbit.com. Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video.